Welcome back to Okins Baba Travel Channel. If you're planning to visit New Zealand this year, I've got you. In the next 3 minutes, I'll walk you through exactly what you need and how to apply for a New Zealand visitor visa. Fast, simple, and stress-free. First, here's your checklist before you apply. A valid passport that won't expire soon. Check the date now. A completed application form. Online is easiest. Proof of funds, bank statements, or proof of income to show you can cover your stay. A travel itinerary, flights you're eyeing, a travel itinerary, where you'll go, a travel itinerary, activities you plan, accommodation details, hotel bookings, or a letter from your host, a return ticket or proof of onward travel to show you'll leave at the end of your trip. Note: requirements change. Always double-check the official Immigration New Zealand website before you start. Now, the step-by-step application process. Save this part. Go to the Immigration New Zealand website. This is the only official place to apply. Create an online account. It takes a few minutes. Use an email you check daily. Fill out the application form carefully. Match your passport details exactly. Spelling and numbers must be perfect. Upload your documents. Passport bio page. Upload your documents. Proof of funds. Upload your documents. Itinerary. Upload your documents. Accommodation. Upload your documents. And any extra documents they ask for based on your country. Pay the application fee online with a card. Keep your receipt. Submit your application. Before you click Submit, review everything: names, dates, and document clarity. Wait for processing. Most take around 20 to 25 days, but it can vary. Apply early if you have fixed travel dates. Pro tips to avoid delays: scan documents clearly. No shadows, no cutoff corners. Use consistent dates across flights, stays, and itinerary. If asked for biometrics or extra info, respond quickly. Don't book non-refundable travel until your visa is approved. What happens after you apply? You'll get email updates. Watch your inbox and spam folder. If approved, you'll receive a visa letter or e-visa. Print a copy and keep a digital version on your phone. At the airport, carry your passport, return ticket, accommodation proof, and funds evidence. Border officers can ask. That's it. Once approved, you're ready for epic landscapes, friendly locals, and unforgettable adventures in New Zealand. If this helped, hit subscribe for more travel guides right here on Okins Baba Travel Channel. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll tackle them in the next video. Safe travels and Kia ora.